gũteithĩrĩria kũhũrana na maũgwati ma hinahi na marĩa makĩyumagĩria mahinda kwa mahinda na makiria kuri muingi wa kaunti ino kuringana na karani wa kaunti ino na uria nowe murugamiriri wa uruti wira wa muingi kaunti-ini ino Ndagĩtarĩ Muiya Ndambukie ni akiugite ati magĩtabanitie ikinya rĩrĩ itemi rĩa gũteithĩrĩria na makiria aruti wira a muingi kuhonokagia utonga muingi na uria ukianangĩkaga na makiria rĩrĩa maũgwati makĩyumĩria mahinda kwa mahinda.
My name is Dr. Muiya Ndambuki. I'm the County Secretary and Head of Public Service, Machakos County. We stand here very proud of what has been achieved. For the last 1 week, we've had a training on emergency medical dispatchers. And this evening, we have seen the closure of that exercise.
My name is Charles Mulinge. I'm an emergency medical technician. We have been trained about emergency medical dispatcher course, which has turned to be a very important course in knowing how to handle emergency cases and how to handling mass casualty incidents. And this course, I believe, will be of a great help to residents of Machakos County and abroad in dealing with the emergency cases.
Because of this training, by and large, was our people and property in case of emergencies.
That we are along the northern corridor, the Mombasa Road, we have so much road. This course has empowered us on how to deal with those cases and how to communicate from
cia utungata kana cia